He's one of those very few filmmakers who has struck a balance between commercial and always thought-provoking cinema. Welcome to the NDTV, Anubhav.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
अच्छा इस बात से शुरू करते हैं. I saw your whole show. Welcome to the OTT world. You made your debut.
Thank you.
And first question: how did you manage the kind of actors you have in this? It's like, it's said that it's more difficult to get dates of the character artists than actual big stars. And to get all of them in one frame, from Naseeruddin Shah to Pankaj Kapoor, I mean, I can't even stop naming them. How did you do this?
Actually, if you ask me, दोबारा मैं करना चाहूँ तो क्या मैं कर पाऊँगा? I will not be certain. Because sometimes some things happen serendipitously. It was that serendipity. I wanted them. I went to them. They were very kind to participate. And बाकी logistics भी dates और वो सब भी workout हो गया और it just happened. So जब मैं more specifically in that location where all of them are together, वहाँ पर जब मैंने इन सबको साथ में देखा ना तो ऐसा यकीन नहीं आ रहा था कि ये हो रहा है. और वो 7 दिन की शूटिंग थी उस सेट पे और लोग ना सिर्फ शूटिंग देखने आते थे, बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स और डायरेक्टर्स और कैमरामैन की चल क्या रहे यहाँ पे. एक दिन कोने में तापसी पन्नू बैठी हुई दिखी मुझे, वो किधर छुप के कैमरे के पीछे बैठी हुई थी. तो मैंने कहा तू क्या कर रही है? बोली नहीं मैं देखने हूँ. तो
Because it's like a film school.
Yes, of sorts. And the kind of camaraderie and the kind of cooperation, those 7 days are the most blissful shooting days of my 30 years of directing. When I look back, dude, you've got Naseeruddin Shah and Pankaj Kapoor standing there and you are directing them. It was like the first time I ever said one more to an artist was Amin Sayani sir. I had just joined as an assistant and he was dubbing something. And Pankaj Parashar, my boss, he asked me to go and attend the dubbing. So he knew my language was good. So he said, go. So go ahead. So I went there. Now this is the first time I'm seeing Amin Sayani. And Amin Sayani sir was dubbing. And he finished and I had a problem. And I could not bring myself up to saying, sir, one more. How do you say one more to Amin Sayani? But then I said, sir, एक बार और करें सर. हाँ बोलिए करते हैं. उन्होंने एक बार और 2 बार किया. I felt like the same Anubhav Sinha who was saying one more to Amin Sayani. Okay. वैसे भाई एक और करें. हाँ करिए. तो बहुत मजा आया. I'm so grateful to them all, each and every actor of IC814.
We were just talking about it that you cannot watch it like एक एपिसोड अभी देख लिया बाद में और एक एपिसोड देख लिया. I saw a whole film. It was for me a whole film together.
5 hours.
5 hours. Yes, I spent 5 hours doing this. But so tell me, when you are making a OTT show, what difference did you feel while making a film or making a show? Was it any different? Was it the same? Was it double the work? How was it?
The only difference is the time of writing. Because then you have to let go of the audience after this much time and then you have to bring them back. That's the only new game that you have to play. Otherwise, shooting it and editing it and everything else is the same, like films. And there is a different art form. Writing television is a different art form because, we release a film and we do a month worth of promotions to bring them once to the theatre. Imagine you releasing a film in 5 parts. 1 episode will release every day. Do you think you can bring them back 5 times? No, you can't. Just because they are at home. And then the whole game of writing that I will let go of you and then I'll bring you back and I'll let go of you again. That's a very dangerous game to play. And that's where the idea of binge comes from, that you make it so binge worthy that the audience doesn't go. So you're saying you can go, but actually don't. And so that's a game that you play with the audience.